Another reason that your handyman is worth $100 an hour is because $100 an hour isn't really $100 an hour when you're running a business. And I'm going to be very clear that I personally don't like going into these particular specifics because I've seen so many people post so many things that make it look like $100 an hour by the time it gets to our pocket is really $5 an hour. I don't throw all these things out there. But you do have overhead, and if you're running a business, you do have taxes. You have your business license that you pay for and any other licenses that you're paying for on a frequent basis. You have your business insurance. You have your accountant. You have Jobber software, which is the plan I was on before I started working with him was $350 a month, and it was well worth it, but that was another expense that I had. You have maintenance on your vehicle, all the miles you're putting on your vehicle. You have gas. You have your vehicle insurance. You have tools that you have to buy, tools that you wear out, and tools that go bad that you have to replace, tools that you have to upgrade as the industry upgrades and the materials and the products upgrade. There's a million expenses to running a business, so that $100 an hour, right off the bat, it's not $100 an hour. Maybe it's something more like $50, maybe even $40. I don't know exactly where it lands. It's going to be different for everybody. But $100 an hour is not $100 an hour.